Hi, Chunky. I want some of that shit. Alright, so we're here at the grand opening. They have a lot of vendors selling their things, which is good. Check it out. We got some Halloween goodness. All these are handmade. Yep. Check this out. We got a ghost. Ooh. What's that? What?
What's he have to wait for?
He's buying that mask.
Oh.
He's buying the mask. Ooh, we got zombie doll. Hey, they got a little Chucky here. Did you see that one? It says, I'm your friend to the end. Child's play. Oh, look at this Stranger Things. That is so cool. Sweet. I like this. So I'm assuming this one's called Taco Treasure, so you can check them out. Look at these cool custom-made lighter cases and things like that. My pet monster. We got a troll. Oh yeah, creep show. Look at this. Sweet. I like that one. And then Jason. Oh my God, this is so cool too. Check out that big hand he has. You'll float too. Ooh. We got Kiss. We got little Lego dudes. That's totally cool. Chili peppers. Alrighty, so this is Taco Treasures. You see, you're not getting tacos. Well, I guess it's tacos. It's good stuff, man. Tacos are good. And you get a lot of horror stuff. And so if you want to reach out to theirs, your Instagram, email, and all that good stuff. And you can reach out to the owner. Ooh, look at this. Does it come up? No. Look at the Demogorgon, how cool. I got that one. I don't have these two yet. Maybe in time. We'll see. I like those. How you doing, sir? Woo-wee. We got Pennywise. Who's this guy? Is that Pinhead? Can't really tell. I got all these. That's cool. I like those handmade robots. The killer clowns. You got Chubby. We got Texas Chainsaw Massacre right there. Living Dead. I love the Living Dead stuff. Jaws. Dun-dun. Alright, so make sure you guys come out to Horrific Pix. It's always going to be here. Today we have some vendors and things like that. Selling all their merchandise. Looks good, looks good. Woo. Weapons and Deathly Donuts. Check it out. Well, this is their booth. This is not where they officially sell it, but you never know, right? You could come in the mall at any given time. Plenty of spots. So, you guys are new here in San Antonio?
Yes.
Okay. And where are we located at?
I'm located off of Old Tetzel Road.
Old Tetzel Road. Okay. And
home base.
All right. And you got information right here?
Yes.
So, like a business card or anything right here?
Yes.
Right here. Alrighty, let's see here. So here's the business card. Deathly Donuts, Jasmine Nicole, and she's the owner. And it's got all the information right here you need. So if you want to reach out or you want to stop by, and then look at the donuts right here. Does that not look good, guys? So you get a box of 6 for 20 bucks. And those look pretty good to me, especially when the horror theme. Sweet. And you have merchandise and everything. How cool is that? And what's the name of your business?
Immediately on it. If you have an Instagram, I have a QR code. I need to get my business cards and just kind of slacking.
So it's mutilated Mando?
Yeah.
Mondo? Okay. All right, so check out all this artwork here.
Yeah, I put on Instagram like all the events I'll be at.
Some pretty cool stuff, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna hope he makes us a picture. Okay?
What, Audrey?
Yeah, like this on this. And how much are these? $30?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do it. Just put it to the side. You will see me there.